Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Animal Mechanicals, we Animal Mechanical can!
Rex Mechana Strong!
Unicorn Mechana Fly!
Komodo Mechana Gizmo!
Mouse Mechana Fast!
Sasquatch, Mechana Stretchy!
Animal Mechanicals, Mechana can we do it? We Animal Mechanical can! We Animal Mechanical can!
Cobra Coaster Island. Animal Mechanical Mission Time! Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today. Woohoo! Your destination is Cobra Coaster Island.
I love Cobra coasters. The way you go up, up, up.
And then down, down, down! Whee! Mechana Fun!
More like Mechana No Fun to me.
Oh, you'll see, Komodo. Cobra coasters are a blast!
But there's a problem. For some mysterious reason, the super exciting Cobra Coaster is not working.
That's awful.
Yeah, why isn't it working?
Unknown. Your mission is to find out why and get the Cobra Coaster working again. Mechana, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are! Cobra Coaster Island!
Yeah!
Let's go!
Cobra coaster! Fun, fun, fun!
I fail to understand what is so much fun about a Cobra coaster.
Komodo, don't you ever have fun?
Oh no, I fail to understand the need to have fun.
Komodo doesn't know what he's missing.
Let's try to see why this coaster isn't working.
It looks okay to me. Whoa!
What was that? A Mechana banana. Curious. Look! Oh.
On the Cobra coaster.
It's a Mechana monkey!
Aw, he's kind of cute.
He may be cute, but I think he's the reason the Cobra Coaster isn't working.
Right! The Cobra cars won't work until that mischievous monkey stops tossing Mechana bananas at it.
We need to catch him and get him off the tracks.
Oh no! He's climbing higher!
He's too high for me to reach.
Me too.
Who can reach way up there and grab the monkey?
Wait a minute! I just had an idea! I can reach anything! Behold! The mighty Sasquatch! Mechana Stretchy!
Sasquatch is super stretchy.
Stretchy like a big rubber monkey who's trying to grab a fast and little monkey. That's funny.
Come to Sasquatch, monkey!
Catch him, Sasquatch!
He's getting away.
stretch. Some more. I can do this.
Oh no! The monkey's way at the top of the coaster now.
Even the mighty Sasquatch can't stretch that high.
There's no way to reach him.
Animal mechanicals can do anything! Unicorn! Mechana fly!
Unicorn is the coolest.
He's a fast little guy.
I have some tricks of my own, Mr. Monkey.
Go, unicorn!
Hey! Where'd he go?
I see him. He's hiding.
We will never get him now.
Never say never. If someone was small enough and speedy enough, they might be able to catch him.
Small? Speedy? That's my job. Mouse! Mechana fast!
Go, Mouse, go! Woohoo! She's fast.
Fast like a rocket!
Huh? Hey!
That way, Mouse.
Over here!
What? Gotta go faster!
Go, Mouse, go!
I'm Mechana Phew! I'm out of breath!
By my calculations, it is impossible to catch that monkey.
Nothing's impossible for animal mechanicals.
Because when the going gets tough,
We team up!
time for a Mechana monkey trap! Mouse, keep chasing him. I'll make sure he stays down here. Sasquatch, you get ready!
Sasquatch, readier than ready.
Okay, here I go!
Make him come down a little lower, unicorn.
Woo!
Wait. Wait. Now, Sasquatch.
Yay!
Look! The coaster is working again!
Animal mechanicals, mission accomplished.
Yay!
We should take this monkey back to the jungle where he will not get into any more trouble.
Come on, little guy. Time to go home. Whoa!
Aw, he wants to have more fun on the Cobra coaster.
But it is dangerous for a monkey to be on a Cobra coaster.
Not if he's riding the coaster with us.
Yay!
Hooray!
Oh no,
Come on, Komodo. It'll be fun!
I don't have fun, remember?
Wow!
Hey! Let go of me, monkey! Ooh, shoo!
I think he wants to ride with you, Komodo.
Oh, very well then. One ride, and that's it.
Yippee!
We're going!
Woohoo! Fun, fun, fun!
I didn't like it. I loved it! That was fun! McKenna, can we go again and again?
Animal Mechanical Can!
Yay!
Pop out Panda Island.
Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Yeah!
Your destination is Pop Out Panda Island.
Pop-out pandas are cute.
And shy.
That's right. They're also very hungry. The pandas have eaten all of the bamboo at the bottom of Slipslide Mountain. And now they need your help to get up the mountain where more bamboo grows.
But why do they need our help?
Because Slipslide Mountain is very slippery, and with their big, boxy bodies, the pandas are very slidey.
Slippery and slidey. This is going to be fun!
Your mission is to help the pandas up Slipslide Mountain. But remember, they're very shy. You have to be quiet and gentle. McKenna, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical Can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Pop Out Panda Island.
Look, the pandas. They're trying to climb up the mountain all by themselves.
That's okay, pandas. You tried really hard.
This isn't so bad. On second thought, Slipslide Mountain is definitely too slippery for those pandas to climb up on their own.
Animal Mechanicals, we'll just have to give them a hand.
A hand, huh? I've got 2 of them. Don't worry, pandas. The mighty Sasquatch will help you. Yeah!
Sasquatch, remember what Island Owl said. Be quiet and gentle. Pop-out pandas are extremely shy.
You might find this interesting. Pop-out pandas are extremely shy.
Oh no! The pandas are hiding and won't come out.
Now we'll never be able to move them, even a little bit.
Animal Mechanicals never say never. Instead of walking them up the mountain, maybe we could push them up.
Good thinking.
They're so heavy.
In my opinion, it will take a powerful pusher to get 3 pandas up that slick slope.
A powerful pusher? I'm the Animal Mechanical for this job. Rex! McKenna Strong! Not easy, but I can do this!
Rex is so great!
Yeah! I have a question. How are we going to get up the mountain?
Rex?
top of Slip Slide Mountain.
And here we are, too! We made it, everybody!
Look! There's the new bamboo under the snow cap.
Yahoo! 3 cheers for Rex and Unicorn.
Sasquatch.
Hip, hip, hooray!
The snow-capped mountain.
Hip, hip, hooray!
It would be wise to be
Hip, hip.
less loud.
Hooray! Hey, buddy. Next time you might want to be less loud.
Oh no! Now the bamboo is buried!
We need to remove the snow so that the pandas can eat the bamboo.
I could do the digging, but we need a small shovel. My shovel is so big, it would ruin the bamboo.
A small shovel, huh? I think I know where we can find one of those. Hi-yo! Komodo! Mechana-gizmo! Whoa! No! No! Whoops! My undies! Aha! One super sturdy small snow shovel to the rescue!
Handy dandy tool time!
Sasquatch, are you okay, buddy?
First I scared the pandas, then I buried the bamboo under the snow. I'm not so good at being quiet and gentle.
It's okay, Sasquatch. You were only trying to help. You'll have your chance.
Ta-da! There! Finished!
Yay!
Go on, pandas. Go get some bamboo.
The pandas are still scared and shy.
Isn't there anything we can do to get them to eat?
I know. The mighty Sasquatch has a quiet idea.
Where's he going?
Come on, little pandas. Nice bamboo. Here you go.
Look! They're coming out!
The mighty quiet Sasquatch to the rescue.
It's kind of fun being quiet and gentle. Ow! I mean, ow.
Well, we got the pandas up Slip Slide Mountain.
And they're eating again.
Animal mechanicals, mission accomplished.
Does that mean it would be okay to do something loud?
The pandas do seem happy and full. I think it would be okay to be loud again. What did you have in mind, Sasquatch?
All right!
Whoa! Whoa!
Time for some loud, slippery, sliding fun! Wahoo!
Mechanic, can we have some loud, slippery, slidey fun, too? We animal